Lock it up the knee. Lock it at your knee. Straighten your arm. Straighten.
Get the grapes in. There you go. Watch your hips. Watch your hips. Watch your hips. Come back. Come back.
Keep pressure on there. He's gonna go. Watch yourself. Arch, arch. There you go. No, I meant that.
They're doing really bad with that.
Yeah, that's right. I didn't think it was bad.
Me and Joey are up to
Get the capture the cross wrist. There you go. Run it. There it is.
Right. Joey, look up. Look up. Look up, Joey. Look up.
On the outside, outside.
Yeah, keep that leg. Over there, they call it back points before they call the reverse.
Come on, Kenny.
Set it up. Nice. That was nice. Now one more.
1 minute, Joey. It's only 1 minute period.
next match, bring Curtis in.
Keep it. Keep it. Keep it.
Plant your foot. Probably not a second. First to 100. Right? Plant your foot. Control his head, Joey. Control his head. Hand fight, Joey. Don't hang. Don't hang. Just hand fight.
Come on, Sean.
Snap there. Elbows in. Elbows in.
Oh, good heads.
Snap and reach up there, Joey.
Joey hit his head. He's seeing stars.
You can tell. Nice. That's it, Joey. That's how you move. Keep your feet moving. Up, up, up.
Easy.
That's it. Nice job, Joey.
Come on, Sean.
Set it up, Joey. Set it up.
Snap. You got to snap him there, Joey. He's hanging on his knees. Just be smart here. Nice job, Joey.
He's seeing stars. What's that?
I thought you had that headgear.
Yeah, I don't know why he doesn't have it with him.
Tight waist there. Keep that tight waist deep.
Come on, Sean. Get up.
1, not 2. 1, not 2. Joey, you good? Joey, you all right? Snap, hip in. There you go, that's it. Snap and reshot.
5.
Okay, here we go.
That's a good job, Joey. Now, and Russell, 2 moves together, Joey. Don't stop. Right into something else. Nice.
You let off.
Out. Switch. Hard.
Lock it together.
Hard. Hey, calm down. You gotta just go for it. You gotta go. Don't think. Just hit it.
Seatbelt that, Joey.
That's smart, son.
Catch that. Nice. That a boy. All right, Joey. Go
Your
to work
setups.
here.
Your setups, Joey.
Joey, you're good. Hand fight here. Joey, you gotta build up to the cross.
Pull the crotch, Joey. Pull the crotch tight.
Joey, crotch. Hit it. There you go.
Come around. That's 2. 2.
Yeah. Wow. Jesus.
Nice. Good match.